Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika, and today let us continue with the second part of our chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. So in our part 1, we have seen what are 2D shapes and what are 3D shapes, and we have also seen some examples of shapes which are in 2D form and the same shape in 3D form. So all this comparison we have seen in our last class. Then we have studied about the different components which makes up the solid shape, that is the faces, edges and the vertices. And we have also studied how to count the number of faces, number of edges and number of vertices in any shape. So this were the all things which we have covered in our last class, that is in our part 1 of this video. In today's video, that is part 2 of visualizing solid shapes, what we will study is about the nets of the shapes. So today we are going to study about the nets of building 3D shapes. So we know that a 3D shape consists of we all know that a 3D shape, 3D as in three-dimensional shape, will have so this is a 2D shape. So what is a 3D shape? If I add a height to this object, so this is a rectangle, or this is a rectangle which will have length, this will be the breadth, and also it will have some height. So when all these three dimensions come together, it makes up the 3D shape. So this is about the 3D shape which what we have learned yesterday. So how these 3D shapes are made? So this 3D shapes consist of nets. So see over here, it is an example. One example is given of how the nets are on being folded will give you a 3D shape. So this we will study now. So what is a net? So we all know net is a short so net, so it is a short skeleton outline in 2D. Okay, now see here, this is first the skeleton outline. So this is what? This is the net. So this is the net. Net is what? It is the skeleton outline. It is a skeleton outline which on folding, when it is folded, when this net is folded, what it will give you is a 3-dimensional shape. So this is a net which is a 2D. So this is what now? It is in 2D form. Okay. So the 2D form of an outline of any shape. For example, this is an outline of a rectangle. Yes, it's a 2D rectangle on being folded. So this has folds. So when you fold it in that particular manner, what you will get is you will get a 3D shape, that is a cuboid. Okay, so this is what now? A 3D representation of this 2D cutout. Yes, so the 2D cutout when folded will give you a 3D shape, and that is called, then this 2D cutout which is there, which on folding gives you a 3D shape, is called as the nets of building a 3D shape. So this will be the net of building this 3D shape. So this is the concept of nets or building of nets. So let us now see different nets for different shapes. So now see this. So this is how, if you fold it, see, if you fold if you start from 6 and then you start folding it, what you will get over here is a rectangle. So this is a shape, that is a rectangle, which you will fold, and what you will get a 3D shape, that is a cuboid. So this is how folding this net. See, this is a 2D outline of the cuboid, which on folding will give you a cuboid. This is a, why is this a rectangle? Because see, two sides are equal. So this two opposite sides and this two opposite sides are equal. When you fold it, what you will get is a cuboid. So this is a structure of a cuboid. So likewise, we will see the nets of different shapes. So over here, this is a net of a shape called as cube. So this is what now? This is a 2D representation of what? Cuboid. So when you fold this 2D sheet, okay, this cubes, when you fold it, what you will get is a cube. The 3D shape of the, this is, so what you will get is a 3D shape of the 2D plane. So when you fold a 2D plane in when you fold it, what you will get is a 3D shape. So this is the net of that 3D shape. And how you come to know that it is a cube? Because all sides over here are equal, and when you will fold this, you will get a 3D shape of a cube. Over here, this is a net of a cylinder, because see, these are the two faces of the cylinder and this is the main body. When you fold or roll it around, what you will get is a shape like this. So this is a 3D shape of a cylinder. So this is a net of a cylinder. This is a net of a cone. So when you fold it, what you will get is a shape like this. So this is what? A triangle with one face. This is a cone. So this is about the nets of different shapes, and how on folding this nets you will get a 3D shape of that 2D object. 2D net. So this is what now? This is a pyramid. See, if we take all these faces together, okay, if I join all these faces together, this is a net now. Net as in a 2D representation of what? Of a pyramid. And when I fold it like this, what I will get is, I will get a pyramid like this. Okay. So this is a net of a pyramid. So this was about how to represent the nets of any structure, any 3D shape, how to represent it and how to identify which are the nets of any 3D shape. So let us take this example over here and let us try to find or try to identify the nets of the 3D shapes. So these are the 3D shapes and these are the nets of those 3D shapes. And let us now identify which net belongs to which 3D shape. So this is what now? This is a square. So over here, which one will be a cube, net of a cube? This one, because as I said earlier, this has all the sides equal, and a cube will have all the sides will be equal in cube. So this is the net of a cube. So now this is a cylinder. So cylinder has two faces. So this one over here is a net of a cylinder. This is having two faces, and this will, when you fold it, you will get a shape like this. Then comes this. This is what? A cone. So this is a cone with one face and the triangle above. When you fold it, what you will get is a cone. And this is what? A pyramid. And this is the net. This is the net of a pyramid, because when you fold all these faces together, what you will get is a pyramid. So this was about how the nets of the 3D shape looks, what are the nets of the 3D shapes, and upon folding the nets, how you will get the 3D shape. So in today's video we have learned about the nets, how to represent 3D shapes using nets, and how this nets will on folding will give you a 3D shape. And we have also seen how to identify the nets of different 3D shapes. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.